Relic of Saint James the Greater, Apostle, also known as one of the sons of thunder. Today, July 25, is his feast day. He is the son of Zebedee and Salome, brother of Saint John the Apostle, and may have been Jesus' cousin. He is called the Greater simply because he became an apostle before Saint James the Lesser, a parent disciple of Saint John the Baptist. He is a fisherman. He left everything when Christ called him to be a fisher of men. He was present during most of the recorded miracles of Christ. He preached in Samaria, Judea, and Spain. He was the first apostle to be martyred. Canonized by acclamation of the people of God. Patronage against arthritis, against rheumatism, arthritis sufferers, blacksmiths, equestrian, furriers, horsemen, laborers,